What happens when someone joins a higher level than you? Great question. This is typically called a roll-up or pass-up. All commissions that an affiliate is not qualified for will roll up to the admin, not the next sponsor. Why? And how does this make you more money? Because any roll-up commissions will be counted towards your level qualification, allowing you to sell one product. I don't know why it's doing that. This is really bothering me, the side view, and be qualified for that sold product level. Join for the $50 level, then sell a $3,500 level, and the difference of $3,450 will to the admin will actually qualify you for the gold $3,500 level. So one sale, even if you start at the $50 level, will make you qualify you for the $3,500 level. Then you can make $3,500, $1,500, $500, or $50. What? Do I have your attention yet? Because this is powerful. So any affiliate marketers, network marketers, digital marketers, people in side hustle are trying to make money online, or want to learn how to make money, earn money from home, or how to make money online, this is for you. But you got to stay to the end of the video. And why would you do that? I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so I'm going to go to the high ticket lifestyle pay plan, how to secure 100% commissions. Okay, and I'm going to search. Okay, as you can see, alright, so as you can see, okay, it's going to give it an AI overview, okay, and then there's my blog, okay, and yeah, so it's changed since yesterday, but there's my blog right here on the first page of Google, and I'm going to check YouTube, which are more powerful, but harder to do. Google's harder to do than YouTube, and I'll show you all the YouTube results in just a minute. But stay with me to the end, and you can learn how to start from a one-time, less than $60, and make $500, $1,500, $50, $3,500, or even $5,000 from as little as one sale. I'd stay to the end if I were you. Okay, so let's go to the blog. Okay. How am I doing this? I'm doing this mostly with blogging, okay? And this is my high ticket lifestyle review 2026 4 brutal profit secrets. So I'm going to close that out. Okay. High ticket lifestyle review 2026 sovereign digital real estate. Okay, what I'm doing here is blogging, okay? And we teach you this in the $50 level. How to get extra traffic the secret way that nobody's doing. And this was common knowledge a long time ago. And it's the main thing that Empower Network did, which you may have heard of, but it was elite, okay? It still works like gangbusters. And more importantly, if you join with us, you get you join with the badassnetwork.com and make more money and rank your stuff a lot quicker, okay? It doesn't take months, it doesn't take years, it doesn't take decades or never. It can rank in as little as a day to even a week, okay? Much, much faster, because you're basically, it's like you're getting a hand up from somebody who's been blogging for like well over a decade, like 12 or 13 years, okay? So, sovereign digital real estate means total independence from corporate gatekeepers and social media overloads. You can also earn 40% residual commissions too. So, win-win-win. When you master the art of combining video short form traffic hooks with long form SEO asset building, you create an omni-channel ecosystem that captures attention from every possible angle. You're no longer begging for algorithm scraps on a single app. You're capturing high-intent search traffic from Google and YouTube while simultaneously converting short-form scrollers into high-ticket buyers spanning every tier from apprentice to diamond. Okay, we also teach this in the $50 level how to do shorts, okay? And how to actually buy leads from qualified people that have said they're willing to spend at least $100, okay? You just get these leads, okay? So, again, the $50 level, no joke on the training. This multi-tiered digital footprint transforms you from a stressed out affiliate into sovereign digital landlord who dictates the term of engagement. Okay, the High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 Wealth Architecture. Wealth architecture is about building a self-sustaining machine that requires minimal manual intervention to produce maximum financial output. The High Ticket Lifestyle system links front-end direct commissions ranging from $50 to $5,000 with back-end subscription residuals, creating a balanced financial engine that delivers both immediate cash injections and predictable monthly recurring revenue. So you need both. Okay, you need to be able to get high ticket transactions, okay, and also predictable monthly recurring revenue. And we solved both of these, okay, with this program. You aren't just hunting for a one-time win, you're establishing an ongoing financial infrastructure that compounds month after month. This architecture provides the stability and scale required to permanently break free from the 9-to-5 cycle and fund the lifestyle you actually desire. Now, why am I reading this blog? You may be asking yourself that, okay? Again, I'm going to show you the YouTube results. I've already showed you the Google results where I'm on the first page of Google, which is much harder, okay? And if you were at a, like I say, casino, the best thing I could say, and you were actually kept winning from a slot machine, would you leave the slot machine? Or would you keep pulling? Would you keep doing and repeating what's actually working, okay? Seems like you would do that. Or if you're at a job and what's working for you is the best for you, would you totally squash it and start something completely different and relearn, recreate the wheel? No, you wouldn't, okay? That's what I'm doing here. In 2026 and beyond, the AI and the search engines are very smart. They're not only watching what you type and put online, but they're listening to what you say, okay? So I'm doing both here. They're going to read the article, they're going to see my posts, and they're going to listen to what I say in the video. So I'm creating 3 different things from one thing. And then I put it on YouTube, I put it on Facebook, I put it on Instagram, etc. And I put it on my blog. So again, one piece of content can be seen multiple times and heard multiple times. Let's address the elephant in the room. Corporate merchant holds can destroy an online business overnight. This is direct pay versus corporate holds. High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026. Traditional payment processors routinely freeze fund, demand, and establish documentation hold your hard-earned revenue hostage under vague compliance guidelines. Direct pay eliminates this vulnerability entirely. You want to hear this, okay? By conducting peer-to-peer transactions using established digital payment methods and cryptocurrencies across transactional tiers, you obtain absolute custody of your funds from the second a customer buys. Okay, nobody's controlling your money. It goes straight to you however you want it. And I have like 9 different payment methods. I recommend you do as many as you possibly can, because maybe somebody doesn't have PayPal, or maybe somebody has Bitcoin or Doge or Litecoin, etc. The more ways you have to get paid, Cash App, Zelle, any of this making sense, the more options you have. There's no corporate intermediary standard between your work and your wallet. You don't have to wait 2 weeks to get paid like you do at your job, or a month. You can be paid the same day. This direct pay model is the gold standard for entrepreneurs who value privacy, speed, and total financial autonomy. And better yet, these aren't measly commissions. These are 100% commissions, okay? The High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 Upgrade Strategy. The upgrade strategy is your vehicle for rapid enterprise expansion. You do not need thousands of dollars in initial startup capital to claim top-tier status. Starting at $50 apprentice tier plus the $7 admin fee, you can leverage production-based passive mechanics where generate a higher tier sale instantly to update your account status permanently. Whether through a 48-hour fast action window at higher tiers or a single production sale from the apprentice level, you secure your inventory positioning so every future strike across the $50 to $5,000 spectrum pays you at a maximum capacity without restriction. So what does that mean, okay? Again, it means all commissions that an affiliate is not qualified will roll up to the admin, not the next sponsor. Any roll-up commissions will be counted towards your level qualification, allowing you to sell one product and be qualified for that sole product. Again, this is an example. Join for the $50 level, sell a $3,500 level, and the difference of $3,450 to admin will actually qualify you for the gold $3,500 level. Now you can make $3,500, $1,500, $500, or $50. And then once you get your diamond sale, you're qualified and you make all the money at all the levels. Okay? Rather than the roll-up going to your sponsor and not benefit you, the roll-up actually gets put towards your high-ticket business qualification, allow you to move up the levels faster from only one sale. And what's really cool, okay, these are examples. This is what I'm looking about, is never pick up the phone. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to 5,000 direct commissions over and over. So you call this number, you listen to a message, this number right here, and then you leave your information, and the owner will do all the hard work selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let us respond or relax. Imagine our team closing massive big tickets for commissions for you and your people too, okay? So this is win-win-win, okay? Again, elite things we have that nobody else has. High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 Automated Conversion Engines. And automated conversion engine is the mechanical heart of this entire enterprise. Instead of spending your evenings answering endless direct messages from window shoppers who have no intention of buying you, let a sophisticated sequence of automated videos, sizzle lines, and professional closers do the filtering for you. The system ruthlessly separates the curious from the committed. By the time a prospect speaks to a closer or completes the order, they're already pre-sold on the mechanics and the value of the platform. This automation frees up your calendar, protects your energy, and allows you to focus 100% of your daily focus on high-value traffic acquisition. Okay, the buyer psychology. High-ticket buyers operate on an entirely different psychological frequency than bargain hunters. They do not want a 20-page sales pitch or a 500-hour video course full of fluff. They value speed, authority, and leverage. They respect systems that respect their time and view an automated 48-hour countdown timer as tools that respect their intelligence rather than high-pressure tactics. When they see an automated, highly polished infrastructure that removes friction and delivers clear, direct ROI, they recognize professional competence immediately. Your job is to simply point them towards the gate and let the system prove its worth. Okay? Now the fact is, what is the high-ticket lifestyle system in case we don't get to the end? The high-ticket lifestyle is an advanced digital marketing direct sale ecosystem designed to help entrepreneurs bypass low-ticket affiliate traps and earn direct pay commissions ranging from $50 to $5,000 across multiple tiers. Direct pay to commissions eliminate corporate middlemen and merchant accounts holds by utilizing peer-to-peer payment methods. When a customer purchases through your link, the funds are paid directly to you instantly, like Zelle, like PayPal, like Cash App. Can I start small and earn my way up to diamond? Yes, you can enter at $50 price level and use production-based passive mechanics. Generate a higher tier sale allows a surplus to upgrade your account permanently to that tier just after one sale. Okay? What is the purpose of the fast action upgrade window? The fast action upgrade window activates upon entry at higher tiers, allowing members to strategically position themselves quickly, ensuring high value sales originating from the funnel are fully collected. So that means you can start at $1,500 in the 48-hour window, get an upgrade commission to $3,500 and you don't only make $50. You can make up to $3,500 of the say a $5,000 sale. So you're not losing so much money. Okay? Do I need to make phone calls or close my sales myself? No. The system utilizes an automated 1-800 sizzle line, professional call centers, and experienced phone closers to handle all prospect questions, objections, and closing duties on your behalf. So stop watching from the sidelines. Claim the life of an absolute financial sovereignty you were built for. You already know that the current path will never buy back your time or permanently delay the 9-to-5 threat. The infrastructure is built. The automatic closers are ready, and direct pay commissions spanning $50 to $5,000 are waiting for someone willing to take decisive action. Click the link or check the comment section below right now to access the full operational breakdown, secure your position, and execute your escape from the wage trap today. Now I'm going to show you the YouTube results, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so when I search for the high ticket lifestyle pay plan, how to secure 100% commissions, okay, there's my video from 5 days ago. Number 1, okay, that's an ad, doesn't count. Number 2, part 3. Number 3, part 2, okay, another ad. There's another video that hasn't even launched yet. As you can see right here, this is 8/6. This is 8/11, 5 days from now, okay? 1 month ago, okay? 8 days ago. Do you see, aside from the ads, I earn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all 6 of the top results. Actually, yeah, all 6 of the top results, okay? And there's 3 more videos, okay, that I looked, but I'm having a problem right now. But this is the high ticket lifestyle pay plan, how to secure 100% commissions. And I am JJ Solley, aka John Solley, aka your funny neighborhood Solley man. Don't delay, get with JJ today and start earning $50,000 to $5,000 100% commissions. Peace.